Hello there and welcome back. This is going to be a continuation for the Rust journey that we have. And in this video, I would like to show you something which is often referred to as associated type trait, or in kitchen language, how we can create a custom iterator in the next way in Rust. So cargo new sorts type trait, and I'm going to use envim, and here this is going to be the code. So how do we create this custom iterator? Let's say we have a struct which is called counter, and inside this struct the count is a u32, which is an unsigned 32-bit variable. And we want to implement the iterator for the counter, and the type is going to be item, and it is going to be u32. And we need to create the next function, and it is going to be a mutable self-reference, and this is going to return an option which is going to be a self item reference. Now in the next function we say that if the self.count is less than 10, then what we want to do is to increase the self.count with 1, and some self.count will be returned. Otherwise, what we want to do is to return none. And in the main function, what we want to do is to create a mutable counter from our counter struct, and we want to count from 0. And then in the for number in mutable counter, what we want to do is to iterate over this and use the print line to print the counter with the actual number value. And this is the demo. So let's save it and use the Quake notch to demonstrate it. So assets type trait cargo run, and basically this is the running code. So basically we have counted from 1 to 10, but behind the scenes we have implemented the custom iterator for the counter struct that was defined. And this was the goal of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.